Hello everyone and welcome back to our Fantasy 11 prediction. In this video, we will pick our Fantasy 11 for Kings 11 Punjab versus Kolkata Knight Riders game. Kolkata Knight Riders have found some winning form in their recent games and they currently sit on the 4th spot on the table, while Kings 11 Punjab, despite their stunning batting performances, have been struggling with only a single win and they sit on the 8th position. Both the teams will be looking to walk out victorious. The two teams have clashed 25 times before, with Kolkata Knight Riders getting the better of Punjab 17 times. Here is our Fantasy 11 prediction for this match. KL Rahul. KL Rahul has been in great form this season. With a little more than 300 runs to his name, he is taking on every single bowling lineup and tearing them apart. He currently averages a little over 62 and he will be looking to continue his incredible run scoring form to see Punjab through in this game. He is thus the captain of our 11 and our first pick. Nicholas Pooran. Nicholas Pooran has been striking the ball all over the park this season. His record 50 in the previous game will help him walk into this match with his confidence up to the apex. His massive strike rate of over 170 shows how well he is striking the ball as of now. He will be looking to take on the KKR bowling lineup and get more runs to his name in this game. He thus makes our second pick. Nitish Rana. Nitish Rana has been one of the most consistent players for KKR for a while now. He would be looking to create a massive impact on this game as he failed to do so last game. He is striking at almost 150 this season and he will be a player to watch out for. He is the vice captain of R11 and also our third pick. Rahul Tripathi. Rahul Tripathi was sent to open in the previous match and he made it count by smashing 81 runs against Chennai Super Kings. His innings would have boosted his confidence and solidified his position as an opener over Sunil Narayan in the team. He will play a massive role this game to power KKR home and this makes him our fourth pick. Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill has been in great form this season. He has got starts in almost all of his games and he will be looking to make use of a start and convert it into a massive innings in this match. His effortless stroke play and his consistency with his starts make him our fifth pick. Mayank Agarwal. Mayank Agarwal has been in fabulous form and he seems to love batting alongside KL Rahul. He is one of the highest run getters this season. He failed to perform in the previous game against Sunrisers Hyderabad and he will be looking to bounce back to his tremendous form in this game. He thus makes our sixth pick. Sunil Narayan. Sunil Narayan has not been at his best this season. In the match against Chennai Super Kings, we saw a glimpse of the man returning to form. He was striking the ball well in his short cameo and he was bowling with a good line and he was also containing runs. His new role down the order could be the key to him bouncing back to form and this makes him our seventh pick. Andre Russell. Andre Russell has not been in the best of form with his bat. However, he has been contributing with the ball by bowling really well in the death overs. He has been containing runs and building pressure in the death and he has the ability to single-handedly slaughter bowling lineups on his best day. This makes him a threat to any bowling lineup and a player to be watched out for in this match. Kamlesh Nagarkoti. Kamlesh Nagarkoti has been promising in the 4 games that he has played so far. He bowls at a good pace and his line and length is good too. We believe that this is only the start to what we can expect from the young man and this thus makes him our ninth pick. Mohammad Shami. Mohammad Shami has been in great form this season. He is the highest wicket taker for Punjab so far with 9 wickets to his name in just 6 games. He is looking to be in good rhythm and he will be a key player to take wickets for Punjab in this game. He has the ability to swing the ball at a very good pace and this thus makes him our 10th pick. Arshdeep Singh. Arshdeep Singh has played only one match so far and he has looked to be promising. He has wicket-taking potential and he can use his height to his strength. He can prove to be a threatening bowler in this game and this makes him our final pick. Here are the 11 players who have the potential to win the game for their side and take some points to their names. Each of them will be key players for their respective teams in this match. Who do you think will walk out with the most fantasy points in this game? Let us know down below.